Annotating your article. Okay, so there were some questions about what do I mean by annotating your article. So this is what I'm talking about. Can you see this? Okay, so to give you an idea, annotating your article means writing notes on it. So for writing notes on your article, think about it this way. You're going to want to highlight, possibly, underline. Definitely you need to be writing notes in the margins. That's something that is pretty much non-negotiable. That's the whole point of annotation. It's not just to highlight something so that you go back to it, because if you don't write down what it is, you're not going to remember why you highlighted it. Additionally, I need to see that you are finding the pieces of Friedman's argument, that you can identify her when she's appealing to her audience, you know, when she's actually tailoring her writing to her audience. And that's going to be one of the first ones, audience and purpose. Later, as we're going through this, you're going to be looking at ethos, logos, pathos. You'll be looking at making sure that she has good support, word choice, different things like that. So to answer your question, annotating an article, that's what I'm talking about. Find those strategies that I'm asking you to look for. Somehow identify them, underline, highlight, and then annotate. Now you can do one of two things. A few days ago, it was due for you to watch the videos about using Adobe. That's what that was about, was how to use, because I gave it to you in an Adobe file, in a PDF file, I should say, and the videos that you were assigned to watch explain how to use Adobe to annotate, basically, where you can highlight and then you can write little notes in there. You like click on them and there's these little tiny like little bubbles, and when you click on it, it opens up and you can write in it and you can write your note in it, etc., etc. Now you can do it that way, or I'm totally okay if you want to print out your article like this and write on it on paper, and then you can scan it and submit it. You know, scan it and submit it as a PDF with handwritten notes on it. I'm okay with that. Or even if you wanted to take pictures with it with your cell phone and send it to me as some images where you have your handwritten annotation, I'm okay with that too. I know I prefer to handwrite on top of the article than to use Adobe and, you know, make margin. You have to make all those little bubbles and things. But it's completely up to you, so long as you get to me an annotated version of the article. Okay? So if you have questions about how to do that, let me know.